circle.
Okay. Are you read this word?
Like.
Once again. Flip. Figure out. This is C. Are you with me? IGH. IGH together makes the sound I. It is not figurehead because IGH is a plate. IGH is a diagram. It makes the sound I. Okay. Now read this word again. Okay. Okay. Now read this word again. Yes, exactly. Very good. Flip. And these diagram make the sound I. Flip. Flight. Very good. Okay. Try some other words. Read this.
Time.
Yes, exactly. Died. No. This one. I. Yes. Hide. Now this one.
Hide.
No. Hide. We make the sound of it like yes.
Hide.
Okay. Now this one. Light. Very good. Okay. Try some other words. This one again. But together. Yes.
Bright.
Yes. Bright. This one. Right.
Bright.
Yes. Exactly. This one. Might. Yes, you got enough. Are you? Next diagram is OI. OI together makes the sound
Oi.
Did you make the sound? Oi. Very good. Now wait this one.
Oil.
Yes. Oil. Yes. Now this one.
Soil.
Yes. Oil.
Coil.
Yes. See, make the sound. Coin. Yeah.
Coin.
Yes. Now this one.
Coin.
This one.
Join.
Yes. Okay. Now this one. Try this one.
Join.
Yes. Join. Joint. This one. Join.
Join.
Read this one.
Stop. Style.
Yes.
Boil. But boil.
Yes. Read.
stir, moist.
Once again.
I stir, moist.
Moist. Exactly.